Hello YouTube, what's up? My name is Ernest, also known as Century Hornet, and welcome to my Toronto Pearson International Airport Plane Spotting Compilation / Operation Series number 5 video. Today in this video, guys, me and my friend Spencer headed out to runway 05 to catch the British Airways Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner. However, guys, we were unfortunate in our plane spotting because we had stopped at Threshold Aviation because one of my friends told me there was a Lufthansa Gemini Jets 1400 diecast model, a Lufthansa A380-800 there, and I really wanted to pick it up. And apparently by the time we had got to runway 05, by the time I'd bought the model, the British Airways Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner landed 15 minutes earlier than we expected, and we lost it sadly, and it wasn't a catch for us. But to make up for the loss, we managed to capture 3 good aircraft and return. We managed to capture 2 A346's, the Hainan Airlines and the Lufthansa, and we also managed to capture a really cool Etihad Boeing 777-300ER in the Formula 1 Grand Prix livery of 2011. Well, YouTube, that's all I have to say, and since I'm uploading this video around Christmas time, I wish you guys all a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and all the best for 2014, and Happy Holidays in total. So guys, that's all I have to say. Please like, comment, rate, subscribe, and enjoy my 5th video for my Toronto Pearson International Airport's Plane Spotting Compilation / Operation Series number 5. Enjoy the video, guys. And Jet 737-800. A321. Air Canada Jets. It's an A320, never mind. Number 175. WestJet 737-600. pilot, Xstrata Nickel B737-200. Hovering over the runway. Air Canada A319. Delta Airlines CRJ700. Alright, YouTube, Hainan Airlines has been sighted. I'm just calling friend Spence, come take a look. Whoa. Right there. Hainan Airlines. There's another landing. 737-800 WestJet. Basically pointless, but I'll film it. Oh wow, it's a FedEx, I don't believe it. A little FedEx Grand Caravan plane. That one came out of nowhere. Wow. And we have... let me zoom in. What is this? Too much sunlight, I can't see anything. Huh?
Oh no, that looks way too big. What is it?
It's an A330. That's an A330 for sure. Or 777 777. Looks like an A330. I don't know. If you guys the ATC, they can see.
Yeah,
that's an A330. And Hainan's right behind it too, so that's gonna be perfect. No, it's a Canada A330. Rolls-Royce engines. Alright YouTube, Hainan is inbound. I don't know what the hell this is, but right behind it. Right there, Hainan Airlines. Let's zoom in, guys. There it is. I'm gonna film this approach all through it. All the plane spotters have noted it, and it is coming. It is coming. Hainan Airlines. It's supposed to come like 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock actually. It's filming the Air Canada right now. A320. And up next, Hainan Airlines A346. We're lucky to catch this, make up for a loss of the 787. Just gonna camcorder focus here. There we go. No, they're not. I don't want to cross right now. I just want to film Hainan right here. My camcorder's got it focused up pretty nice. Alright YouTube, here she comes, Hainan Airlines, Hainan 7975 from Beijing to Toronto, Hainan Airlines A340-600.
There we go. Hainan Airlines A346. There's a reverse. Look at that stop. Holy cow. My friend said the maintenance on it is terrible. Look at those black smoke come from the engines. Oh man. Wow. That's Hainan Airlines A346. They put the spoilers down now and taxi out. There goes Hainan A346.
Oh, 767.
767?
Yeah, behind us.
Yeah, you're right. 767. Huh?
Might be Aeroflot.
Aeroflot comes in later. Or actually it comes in at like 11 and 1 o'clock. Comes between 11 and 1 o'clock. Alright, 767-300. So Canada? Air Canada. There goes Hainan 7975 as Air Canada lands. Meanwhile, what's here? A320 waiting for takeoff. Alright, perfect. Air Canada A319, yeah. Oh, there it is, yeah, American Eagle and U Livery. CRJ? Yep. It's not a CRJ, it looks like a 737. I can't really see from you. Alright, whatever. It's a good sight anyways.
Well, that's legit, yeah.
600, 737, 600.
Another one's coming too.
Yeah, they're all coming from there, dude. There we go. Yeah, it is Starlines.
Yes, Air Canada.
It's a very smooth landing. There goes the Air Canada finally. It's been waiting there for like at least 10 minutes. Air Transat, yeah. That's Air France. Oh wow, Air France 777-200. 200ER. Air Canada A319. Very first Air Canada Rouge 767-300ER. Either from Greece or Venice. Depends. Yeah. Athens or Venice. Alright, perfect. Next up we think is Etihad 777-300ER from Abu Dhabi. Let's find it. Alright, so there we go. We're waiting it.
Don't say it. You don't know what it is. Oh, it might be Turkey.
Etihad 777-300ER from Abu Dhabi. G90 engines. Oh, with the F1 written on my back, that goes out to my friend Peter. Formula One. Air Canada 777-200LR. Westjet 737-700. Air Canada. Triple 300ER. Air Georgian Beechcraft 1900. Nah, it's Air Canada Express operated by Air Georgian, right? 175. Oh, never mind. 175.
It's Air Canada Rouge.
Oh, it's Air Canada Rouge. How nice. Air Canada Rouge. How nice. A320. Trans Canada Livery. Oh, that is a lucky catch.
Trans Canada Airlines.
Lucky. Kind number 175. Alright, YouTube, Lufthansa A346's sighted. Very Spencer if you want to look at it. Lufthansa 747. 747, what the hell am I talking about? Lufthansa A346's from Frankfurt. Flight number 470. Transat. Yeah, Transat A310. Spencer, look.
Is it getting out?
Mm-mm.
It looks like it is because there's a car in front of
How can you see that? Okay, because I can see that too, but this is at YouTube Lufthansa DLH 470 coming in. Oh, there's American Eagle in the new livery. Oh, wow. Right up front. Let's look at your attention sensor right here. Watch. There it is.
Oh, yeah.
I saw I did get it. Oh, perfect. There it goes. B777-600. Got it. And Austrian is there getting maintenance. It's really unusual. Air Canada A321. Another Canada A321. That's an A320. You just got recorded.
I did?
I don't know.
I'll
Have to wait and see.
Oh,
A Canada
see what this
A320.
Its wheels are down.
Are they? Yeah, they are. Some private jet.
Please be lucky.
It is 777. Most likely Air Canada.
Most likely.
Probably Air Canada 777-300ER. YouTube will take a look.
Might be
Yeah, it is. Air Canada. Yeah, 777-300ER.
Oh, it's not live. That's good. Oh, it's in Star Alliance.
It's an Air Canada 767 and Star Alliance Livery. Oh, it's green jazz, yeah. We had yellow jazz, orange jazz, red jazz, and now green jazz.